Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Alexis Pavinik, also known as Dr. P. I am the librarian for the English Department, Classics, and Comparative World Literature. This short video explains how to sign into the library and how to access our research guides, which will help you study and do research for all of your majors, all of your classes. We have 19 librarians on campus, and each of us has digital research guides that are available to you 24/7. Please use them, and please use mine, and especially the Steps to Research guide, which is available on my digital research guides. Okay, it's short, I promise. It doesn't take very long at all. Okay, bye.
Okay, to begin, we're going to go up to the top right menu. Selecting that, we go down under Resources to My CSULB. This will bring you to the single sign-on, where you're going to sign in with your Beach ID and password. Select Sign In once you've entered your information, and then you can see your chiclets. What's useful here is your email and your Office 365, where you can download MS Word and Excel, and then your beach board. LinkedIn Learning, which used to be called lynda.com, is where you can learn how to use software, and our university library. By the way, my chiclets will look different from yours because I am a faculty member. Inside of the library, now that we're signed in, the first thing I want you to notice is this selected link for research guides. This is where you're going to go to get help for all of your subjects. So if you know your librarian for your major, you can search by owner. For example, here I am down at the bottom under P, Pavinik. If you're not sure, you can search by subject. So you can check your subject if you're interested in art or you're studying art, and if you go to the art, there's Leslie and she is your librarian. So I'll show you under mine by owner. We go down to Alexis Pavinik, and these are all of the library guides I have available. If you're a literature student, this is going to be your link. If you're an English 100 student, this is your link. So let's look at the English 100. You can see here that my search strategies for everyone lives on this page. This is the PDF that explains the steps to research, and you can download it and print it if you want to, or just look at it online. And then also on the side, I have a link to, where is it? Citation and Writing Help. Here we go. And there we can go to MLA Style 8th edition, Dr. P's guide. And this guide is really colorful. It's got a lot going on. If that's too much for you, here on the lower right-hand side, you can select the accessible version. This isn't really machine readable, but at least it's black and white, and it shows you how the citation should look plainly without all the color separations. You can download that. You can also download the color version. I have some YouTube videos that explain how to do hanging indents. And then I also have, by the way, everything here is basically what you're going to run into when you have to do a citation for your English 100 class, including multiple authors and things like that. And then I also have an in-text citation example that shows how to do all of the quotes and how to do your author and page number. Okay? So use the research guides not just for English 100, but for any class that you have where you're not sure where to begin, because that's what they're all for. We have 19 librarians. They cover all of our subjects. And if you just go to subject and search what you're interested in, the guides will come up. All right, thanks very much. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.